What would you do if your child rejected everything you stand for? This timeless question lies at the heart of one of Jesus' most beloved parables, the prodigal son. But today, we're shifting our focus to the often overlooked hero of this story, the father. Picture a wealthy landowner in ancient Israel, blessed with 2 sons. The younger son, restless and eager for independence, approaches his father with an unthinkable request. "Father, give me my share of the estate." In essence, he's saying, "I wish you were dead." Shockingly, the father agrees. He divides his property between his sons, watching as his younger child packs up and leaves for a distant country. Days turn to weeks, weeks to months, as the father scans the horizon, hoping for his son's return. Meanwhile, the prodigal son squanders his inheritance on wild living. When a severe famine hits, he finds himself feeding pigs, a job no self-respecting Jew would ever take. Rock bottom. Back home, the father's love never wavers. He doesn't send search parties or bounty hunters. He waits, hoping his son will choose to return. One day, his patience is rewarded. Luke 15:20 tells us, "But while he was still a long way off, his father saw him and was filled with compassion for him. He ran to his son, threw his arms around him and kissed him." In that culture, it was undignified for an older man to run. But this father casts aside social norms, racing to embrace his lost son. Before the son can even finish his rehearsed apology, the father calls for the best robe, a ring, and sandals, symbols of restoration to the family. He throws a grand celebration, declaring, "This son of mine was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found." But the story doesn't end there. The older son, hearing the festivities, becomes angry. He refuses to join the party, feeling his loyalty has been overlooked. The father, showing equal love, leaves the celebration to plead with him. "My son," he says, "you are always with me, and everything I have is yours." He gently explains the importance of forgiveness and joy in reconciliation. This parable reveals the depth of God's love for us. Like the Father, God doesn't force us to stay or return. He gives us freedom to choose, always ready to welcome us back with open arms. The Father's response challenges us. Can we love unconditionally? Can we forgive completely? Can we celebrate the return of those who have wronged us? In a world often driven by retribution and scorekeeping, the Father's example stands as a radical call to love, forgiveness, and restoration. It reminds us that no one is beyond redemption, and that true love keeps no record of wrongs. So, the next time you face a broken relationship or feel unworthy of forgiveness, remember the Father in this parable. His arms are always open, his love unconditional, ready to run to you no matter how far you've strayed.